Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Jeep wheels is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your vehicle, impacting everything from its off-road capability and on-road performance to its overall aesthetic appeal. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through the city, the right set of wheels can transform your Jeep's look and feel, providing the durability and style you need to conquer any terrain. This review will guide you through the top options available, ensuring you find the perfect match for your adventurous spirit and driving needs. Number 5. Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag. Introducing the Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag. This spacious bag is perfect for all your travel needs. Its durable construction ensures it can handle any adventure. Navigate airports and hotels with ease. The smooth rolling wheels make transporting your belongings a breeze. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Pack everything you need and keep it organized. Multiple compartments provide ample space for clothes, toiletries, and accessories. Everything has its place. Built to last, this duffel bag is made from high-quality materials. It's designed to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation, this rolling duffel is your ideal travel companion. Experience convenience and style on every journey. What we like. This wheel offers ultimate strength and durability, perfect for both daily drivers and off-road enthusiasts. If you prioritize a rugged look and the ability to easily repair minor imperfections, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for those who want a timeless aesthetic with robust performance. What people say. It was much roomier than I thought it would be. There are 2 outer side zipped pockets, which I used for extra shoes, 2 front zip compartments, each with a zip pocket on the front, and the inside is really big and spacious. All the extra zip compartments were a bonus for keeping her supplies organized. The wheels are small but strong and reliable. It rolled fairly easy outside, except for in the wood chips. To be fair, the wood chips were really thick, so I didn't expect it to roll through without issues. In all, I had no problem rolling it. The back and bottom of the bag are reinforced with some sort of hard plastic material inside, and 2 runners along the outside, for when lying down. When standing, there are 2 feet on the bottom which keep it upright, as long as the weight inside is distributed correctly. Number 4. TACTIK Circle 8 Classic 15-inch Steel Wheel. Experience the ultimate strength and durability with these steel wheels. They are built to withstand tough conditions, offering superior resilience over alloy alternatives. These wheels are incredibly robust. If they happen to get damaged, you can easily hammer out any imperfections, ensuring they always look and perform their best. Rest assured, this rim has passed rigorous industry standard testing. It's been evaluated for cornering, fatigue, and impact strength to guarantee the highest quality. Featuring a classic, tried-and-true design, this wheel offers a rugged, stealthy look. Its satin black powder coat finish provides a look that's powerful without being overbearing. This wheel comes complete with a black center cap featuring the brand's logo. It's finished with a durable satin black coating for excellent corrosion resistance and lasting appeal. With a 15x8 size, 5x4.55 by 114.3 bolt pattern, and a -12.7mm offset, these wheels are designed for a precise fit. They offer 4 inches of backspace for optimal performance. What we like. If you're looking to give your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator a more aggressive stance and enhanced off-road capability, consider this option. Its design provides extra inner clearance, helping you conquer tough trails. It's best suited for drivers who want to push their vehicle's limits and achieve a bolder look. What people say. These are pretty durable, being that they still look new. I like the setback as it gives a wider stance to my Jeep. Something to be said for old-school style and strength. The -30-something is exactly what I wanted. They stick out and give it the beefy look. Number 3. RockTrix RT105 17-inch Jeep Wheels. Introducing the RockTrix RT105, a set of 4 17-inch wheels designed to elevate your Jeep's performance. These wheels are engineered for a perfect fit on your Wrangler JK, JL, and Gladiator JT. Achieve an aggressive stance and gain up to 2 inches of extra inner clearance with these rims. They are designed to help you conquer rough terrain and the toughest trails with confidence. Featuring a durable matte black finish with a clear coat, these wheels are built to withstand the harshest weather conditions. They are ready for any adventure you throw at them. These wheels offer an aggressive offset, eliminating the need for spacers. They provide ample room for larger tires, up to 37 inches, for enhanced off-road capability. Designed for 2007 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, and 2019 to 2024 Gladiator JT models. They require cone seat lug nuts for proper installation, and we offer compatible options for your convenience. These wheels are compatible with 30 to 37-inch tires. For tires 35 inches and larger, fender modifications or a leveling kit may be necessary. Please refer to our tire guide for detailed information. What we like. For those who crave aggressive off-road styling and uncompromising strength, this wheel is a fantastic choice. Its D-window design and high-gloss black finish add a race-inspired look, while the heavy-duty steel construction ensures it can handle demanding terrain. If you like a bold aesthetic and need trail-ready resilience, this is the one. What people say. The wheels are made of durable aluminum alloy, ensuring longevity and resistance to corrosion. Features a unique multi-spoke design that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. The bolt pattern is precisely machined for a perfect fit on 15-inch Jeep models, simplifying installation. Number 2. Rough Country Black Steel Wheel, 15 by 8 D-window. Make a bold statement with this D-window design. Its high-gloss black powder coat finish adds race-inspired styling to your truck or Jeep. Engineered from high-strength steel, these wheels are built to withstand rocks, mud, and tough trails with unmatched durability. Heavier than aluminum wheels, they offer added stability and confidence when tackling demanding off-road terrain. Designed for off-road builds, these wheels pair ideally with 12.50 wide tires and the right lift setup for maximum performance. Enjoy peace of mind with Rough Country's 1-year finish and limited lifetime structural warranty. What we like. This wheel is built for those who demand resilience and a classic off-road appearance. Its heavy-duty steel construction provides unmatched durability for tough trails, and the D-window design offers a bold, aggressive look. If you're seeking a wheel that combines ruggedness with a timeless style and comes with a solid warranty, this is a great pick. What people say. These wheels are a perfect fit for my 15 Jeep Wrangler. The design is aggressive and looks great on my Jeep. They are very durable and have held up well on off-road trails. Number 1. Carle Here We Go Little Steering Wheel Sound Book. Buckle up for an exciting adventure. This interactive sound book lets you take the wheel and explore the world. Turn the wheel and hear fun sounds as you pretend to drive. It's a hands-on way to engage your little one's imagination. Honk the horn, start the engine, and more. Each button brings a new sound to life, making playtime more realistic. Journey through vibrant illustrations inspired by Carle's beloved art style. Discover new sights and sounds on every page. Designed for small children, this sturdy book is easy to hold and operate. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational experience. Encourage early learning through interactive play and sensory exploration. What we like. If you're looking for an engaging and interactive experience for a young child, this sound book is perfect. It combines a fun story with exciting sounds, making it ideal for little ones who love to explore and play. It's a great choice for parents wanting to introduce their children to reading in a stimulating way. What people say. Boys and girls 18 months to 3 years old love this book. They can drive, beep, make startup sounds and engine revs as well as 3 short musical pieces by pressing buttons. Pages reflect going in car, train, boat and plane. The book is absolutely adorable and very interactive with noises and buttons to push. I love the little steering wheel for little hands. He loves to push all the buttons, and the steering will also make sounds upon turning it. The video shows how clearly the different sounds are, and there are replaceable batteries on the back of the book. Each page has pictures to coordinate with the buttons they can push as you read the story. It's a fantastic book, easy to transport, pages are thick and easy to turn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.